Welcome to this module on computer cabinets. After completing this module, you will be able to choose the correct cabinet based on motherboard dimensions and identify the different types of cabinet screws.
Computer cabinets are made from steel, aluminum or plastic. Cabinets of other materials such as wood and glass have also been used. Cabinets can be in many different sizes. Sizes are known as form factors in technical language. The size and shape of a computer cabinet is usually determined by the form factor of the motherboard, since it is the largest component of most computers. Form factors specify only the internal dimensions and layout of the cabinet. For example, a cabinet designed for an ATX motherboard and SMPS may take on several shapes and sizes, such as a vertical tower designed to sit on the floor, or a flat desktop, or a flat base designed to sit on the desk under the computer's monitor. Full-size tower cabinets are typically larger in volume than desktop cabinets, with more room for drive bays and expansion slots for cards. Full tower cabinets are used for servers. Desktop cabinets or mini tower cabinets designed for the reduced micro ATX type are popular in business environments where space is important. Currently, the most popular cabinets for PCs are ATX. Although micro ATX and small form factors have also become very popular for a variety of uses. Vertical or tower cabinets come in mini tower, mid tower, and big tower or full tower sizes. Full tower cabinets are typically 30 inches or more in height and intended to stand on the floor. They have anywhere from 6 to 10 externally accessible drive bays, with more bays only internally accessible. The proportion of external to internal bays is changing. However, as technology changed from floppy disks and CD-ROMs to large capacity hard drives, USB flash drives, and network-based solutions. Mid-tower cabinets are smaller, about 24-inch high, with 2 to 4 external bays. A mini tower cabinet will typically have only 1 or 2 external bays and stand from 12-inch to 18-inch tall. Depending upon the specifications of motherboard, you need to select cabinet. Cabinet is selected which is suitable to house motherboard. Computer cabinet screws are the hardware used to fasten together parts of a computer cabinet and to fasten the system components such as motherboards, hard drives and SMPS to the cabinet. Screws are differentiated into types based on their length or number of threads, type or pitch of threads, diameter of the shaft, type of head, material. Although there are numerous manufacturers of computer cabinets throughout the world, the industry has generally standardized on some specific screw thread measurements. The Unified Thread Standards (UTS) originates from the United States, while the ISO metric screw thread is standardized worldwide. These thread standards define preferred size combinations that are based on generic units, some of which on the inch and others on the millimeter. 632 screw. Nearly every cabinet comes with a bag of these screws. They are used to fix the power supply to the cabinet, hard disk drive to the cabinet, expansion cards in place by their metal slot cover, main cover on the cabinet. M3 screw. This screw is the second most common screw found in PCs. This is a metric screw and all cabinet manufacturers provide M3 screws as well as 632 screws. M3 screws are used for holding or fixing CD-ROM drives and floppy drives. M3 screws are also the most common screws used to secure a motherboard to motherboard studs placed underneath. M3 screws will fit in 632 threaded holes, but their narrower diameter and finer thread pitch causes them to seat only loosely in the hole. Nevertheless, they are often placed there by amateur PC builders who are unaware of the distinction. 632 screws can also be force-fitted into a M3 screw hole. However, when a 632 screw is forcefully fitted into a M3 hole in a metal sheet, as in floppy or CD drive, it damages the threading, but the screw will be fixed in the hole and can still be removed fairly easily. But when a 632 screw is forcefully fitted into a M3 hole in solid metal, as in motherboard studs, it gets stuck.